Happy Friday! Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Friday and yes, happy Friday and thank God it's Friday. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ibang ruta naman tayo. And yes, bago pala to dito sa amin, meron ng walkway dito sa gilid ng Cabacan River. So, as you can see, if you zoom in, ayan, President Rojas. Yung tulay, then dito malayo. Pero actually mahaba siya dito eh. As you can see, may mga naglalakad din. Mahaba. So, I guess isa to sa mga flood control project. And maganda kasi before wala naman to at ngayon meron. So, yeah. Ayun lang. Happy Friday to everyone. Thank God it's Friday. And as you can see din pala kung maglalakad ka dito, makita mo yung mountain range. Then yung Mount Apo. Saan ba yung Mount Apo? Hindi makita dito. But, yeah. Ayun. Spread love and good vibes and goodness. And, yeah, just be grateful for this another day. Yun lang. As you walk today, let's pray na mag-guide tayo sa lahat ng ating gagawin. And, syempre pasalamat sa lahat ng mga blessings and maraming blessings. If may mga bagay man na unfortunate na mangyayari, I'm sure it's for the good. Hindi naman tayo pagbabayaan ni Lord di ba? So I guess yun lang for today's video. Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless. Annyeong and happy weekend in advance. Mama.